Luxury meets minimalism.
Hello and welcome to Design Dimensions. In this video, we'll explore the beauty of home interiors, garden spaces, and the latest innovations in design. Join us as we delve into inspiring ideas and thoughtful details that can elevate every corner of your home. We're thrilled to have you here, so sit back, relax, and let's start this creative journey together.
The modern elegance of contemporary home offices and bathrooms. In recent years, the rise of minimalism has redefined luxury in the world of interior design. Rather than an abundance of ornate details or opulent finishes, true luxury now centers on simplicity, functionality, and refined aesthetics. This trend is especially noticeable in contemporary home offices and bathrooms, where a minimalist approach enhances the elegance, efficiency, and tranquility of these essential spaces. With carefully curated materials, sophisticated color palettes, and cutting-edge technology, these spaces not only meet practical needs, but also provide an elevated sense of well-being. This article explores how modern minimalism is transforming home offices and bathrooms, turning them into serene, luxurious sanctuaries within the home. The art of balance in the contemporary home office. Luxury and minimalism harmonize effortlessly in the modern home office, a space that prioritizes productivity and peace. In a minimalist home office, each element serves a purpose, contributing to an environment that enhances focus and fosters creativity without overwhelming the senses. The design focuses on high-quality materials like solid wood desks, metal accents, and ergonomic seating, ensuring both comfort and visual appeal. Decluttering for clarity. A minimalist office emphasizes organization and reduces clutter, using built-in storage, concealed shelves, and smart cable management systems. By keeping the workspace clean and free from distractions, it promotes mental clarity and focus, essential in today's remote work environment. Technology integration. In a contemporary minimalist office, technology plays a subtle but vital role. Smart lighting systems adjust brightness based on the time of day, while wireless chargers and hidden power outlets keep the workspace tidy. By incorporating technology seamlessly, the office maintains its minimalist appeal while meeting modern needs. Personalized touches and nature elements. While minimalist offices favor simplicity, they also incorporate personal elements that make the space inviting. A few selected art pieces, carefully chosen indoor plants, and soft textured rugs add warmth and personality without detracting from the minimalist aesthetic. Adding natural elements, such as small potted plants or bamboo organizers, can create a calming atmosphere, promoting a sense of connection to nature, even within an office setting. Serenity and simplicity, the luxurious minimalist bathroom. The minimalist bathroom has emerged as an oasis of calm, blending luxury with simplicity. Unlike traditional bathrooms that often feature elaborate fixtures and patterns, the minimalist bathroom relies on sleek designs, natural materials, and neutral tones to create a sense of spa-like serenity. The focus on quality over quantity reflects the essence of contemporary luxury, offering a space that feels both indulgent and rejuvenating. High-quality materials and finishes. Minimalist bathrooms are designed with luxurious materials, such as marble, granite, or even concrete, which lend an air of sophistication. Matte black or brushed gold fixtures add a subtle yet powerful touch of elegance, while frameless glass showers and floating vanities contribute to a clean, uncluttered appearance. Effortless organization. Effective storage solutions are essential in a minimalist bathroom, allowing essentials to be tucked away behind sleek cabinetry or within recessed shelves. Concealed storage and built-in niches ensure that personal items are easily accessible without compromising the clean, minimalistic appearance. The result is a clutter-free environment that feels open and spacious. Natural lighting and smart technology. Integrating natural light is crucial for a minimalist bathroom, as it enhances the ambience and highlights the beauty of the materials used. Floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, or frosted glass panels allow light to flow into the space, creating a soothing atmosphere. For evening relaxation, dimmable lights and smart mirrors with anti-fog capabilities provide functionality without detracting from the minimalist aesthetic. Conclusion. The shift toward minimalist design in contemporary home offices and bathrooms reflects a deeper desire for spaces that are as functional as they are beautiful. By focusing on simplicity, quality, and technology, these spaces offer luxury that is understated yet deeply satisfying. The modern home office becomes a place of productivity and calm, while the minimalist bathroom transforms into a retreat for rejuvenation. Together, these spaces demonstrate how luxury and minimalism can coexist, creating environments that are both elegant and efficient, tailored to enhance daily life in meaningful ways.